Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a design team for In Love Art Shop project share, and I am also showing you the process of how I made this flip book. And it is a hardcover flip book that I needed to make for a project. And so I'm gonna let you see what I've done. It's just pretty much the same as my book box that I made, just a smaller size. I am using the pink cardstock from Michaels. It is the Recollections brand. Everything's going super fast. Adding some score tape. So I'm going to have all the links below if you'd like to save 20% off your order with In Love Art Shop. My discount code will be there. So here I'm using the Simple Story Sweet Talk collection. And I love the papers. I love the mints and the blues and the reds and pinks all together in one. I decided to use this ribbon that I picked up from Michaels as well. I use hot glue for everything. Liquid glue, I rarely use it unless I'm making some sort of shaker. I did add stitching, and as you can see, it's kind of like a very fun stitching, very wonky like stitching. I thought it was playful for this book, very playful for Valentine's. And the spine, I added a zigzag. So very fun Valentine's book that I'm making. If you're into TikToks, I'd like to invite you to check my TikTok out. I'm fairly new to the app, so I'd like to be friends with you. I will have the links below. So the inside of the flipbook, I wanted it the same as the outside. Um, I did want to use the red. However, I thought it was just a little bit too harsh, and so I wanted to break up the red that I will be using to embellish the inside. So that's done. Now I'm using the In Love Art Shop dies, and I absolutely love this die. The heart is from that company as well. I did add some embroidery stitching because it does have holes around the heart, and I am in love. I love that look. So I am on the hunt for more dies with holes around the border. So I need them in my life. I need to have them now, and I'm looking for them. If you guys come across any, please let me know on Instagram. I would greatly appreciate it. So I love this little panda. So I made a little cluster with the heart and the cupcake. I also added stitching around all the pieces. Time for the inside. Now the inside, it's a flip book, so I'm just going to embellish each side. I'm using this die. It is a fishtail banner, also from In Love Art Shop. Here is a heart from In Love Art Shop as well. So I'm going to use the s'mores and the ice cream cone to make a cluster there on that heart. I did also add some trim. Actually, it's not trim. I added a tulle, that's dotted gold tulle, to the fishtail banner. So I'm adding a circular die cut on the right side. It is a die as well from In Love Art Shop. So the banner on the right has some sequence mix that I accidentally didn't do for the other on the left. It worked out because in the end, once I do all my clustering, you can't even see it, and when you shake it, it's been glued, so it was just a happy mistake. Using the sloth, look how cute that sloth is. I wanted to add just a bit of brown to this, not very much. I think the dark colors were just too harsh. And I'm more so of a pastel color. I do like traditional. However, I like to kind of limit the traditional colors and just make them an accent. So there it is, and you'll see some pictures coming up very soon. And I added a shaker cupcake heart there. So that's it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and thank you so much. I did add a few items to the book, and you'll see in the pictures at the end. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.